Good morning, people. What's up? The weather is nice. Let's go for a ride. This one has the 648cc twin cylinder, which produces 47 bhp. 47, yeah, 47 and 52 newton meters of torque. I'm not able to speak. Let's try and corner. The front feels heavy. It's not that confident when you're cornering because the suspension it's on the softer side. The torque is phenomenal though. It pulls in any gear. This bike is an overall improvement from everything they have. This is now the flagship, I can say. I think this is a flagship now from Royal. Shout out to Dheeraj for letting me borrow his bike. Dheeraj and me are intermediate classmates. Sharad Junior College. There's a weird phase. వాడు మిర్రర్లు ఎందుకు పెట్టుకుంటారు మీరు? వాడరా? ఇడియట్స్. ఇండికేటర్లు వాడరు, ఏం వాడరు, ఎందుకురా మీరు? Even though this weighs around 202 kilograms, it feels light. Like when you're in a straight line or to a certain angle, it feels light. But when you are trying to corner or something, you'll feel the weight, especially in the front. So I've ordered a new helmet which will cure all my pain and struggle which I'm facing due to this helmet which I'm wearing. This is a Vega which I bought like not even 4, some 5-6 years ago when I had a Honda Dio. I used to ride from Kokapet to DD Colony, which is Sharad Junior College. For intermediate, I used to ride from there, like almost 60 I guess, 65 kilometers a day. That is when I bought this, but I didn't know how to choose the right helmet. This moves around. This doesn't hold my cheeks right. My face cheeks is what I mean. And yeah, it presses on my temples, not Sai Baba temple or Ram temple. My head has this slightly weird shape. No, I'm not abnormal. Everyone's head has a different shape, so I should have picked a helmet according to that, but I didn't know. I didn't know any better. So I got this. This is that flip-up modular helmet which I have. I wouldn't suggest for anyone to go with a modular helmet. Like if you're on a budget, I wouldn't suggest it. If you have money, if you have like 60,000-70,000 or like 50,000 or something, then you can go with a nice brand, with something like an AGV, even an LS2. I don't think MT has modular. I am not sure. Schuberth has great modular helmets. If you have modular helmets, no, it'll be a great use when you're touring and all, because you don't have to remove your whole helmet if you have to drink water or to eat, like just stopping somewhere for like 5 minutes or something. The helmet should have a snug fit, but it should be tight, but it shouldn't cause any discomfort. And see that if you guys are buying a helmet, see that there is a D-ring. Never compromise on a helmet. Even if you're riding a Honda, Dio or an Activa, even a Super Duty, get a good helmet. Don't go for the normal ones which you get around 1500, 1000 rupees, 1500. You get good helmets from Axor, and SMK has good range. See that you get helmets from brands like that, because even if you're driving around 40 kilometers, which is actually not much, but you never know if what happens, like some other guy might come and hit you. You never know. You can never be too careful. I have to refuel this while coming back. Oh, they almost hit themselves. That is why you should use indicators. People who ride super bikes like the Z900 or the R1 or the Ducati, Panigale or anything like that, and they don't even wear helmets. Why do you do that, man? Why can't you just, when you're spending around lakhs, even this is around 3 lakhs, but when you're spending around 8-9 lakhs or even more, why can't you get at least a basic introductory helmet? Can I go through here? I can't. AGV has good helmets which start around 17,000-18,000. Bell has, you'll get a qualifier, Bell qualifier around 9 or 10,000. You can't get those. Tell me you can spend around 6-7 lakhs on a bike and you can't get a helmet. See, they can say it is my choice and all. Cool. But it gives a very bad name to the other people who have bikes like that, or anyone, any biker, to be honest. Already people think they're very reckless and they don't care about the rules and stuff. And on top of that, people like these pop up out of nowhere. I want to drive a tractor once. If anyone has a tractor, let me know. And to everyone who's watching, do let me know what kind of content you'll want me to make. And let me know if you like videos like this or not also. Can you wait? ఎట్లా పోతావు? హార్న్ కొడుతున్నావు, ఎగురుకుంటా పోతావా? పో. Some people sit so close to the steering wheel in cars. Why do, like, most of the people who drive, especially this man here, I just crossed him. People like this, they don't have, they operate like horses, I feel. Some horses, they have this thing, the flaps around their eyes, no, like just so that they see straight. They don't have. I think it is called peripheral vision. I don't know. మేము కొంచెం వీక్ ఇంగ్లీష్లో. I'm kidding, I'm not. But I think it is called peripheral vision. What I mean to say is they can't see something. They can only see this straight line. 200.
200. Yes, card.
Cash. I've had this for the past how many days? 2 days? 3 days? 2 days, I guess. Yeah. And this drank almost around 1,000 rupees of petrol. 1,000 rupees of petrol in my classic 350. You know how long will that last? It'll last me around 2-3 weeks, I guess. Minimum of 2 weeks. ఇంతవరకు ఆగినావు, ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకు కురుకుతున్నావురా? Idiots like this, they don't stay in the line, they come wherever they want. వాళ్ళు అయ్యారు కదా మొత్తం ఇట్లా ఇట్లా ఇట్లా. సరే పో, అట్లా ఇట్లా అందరం పోతాం, నేను కూడా పోతా. ఇవన్నీ పెట్టుకోవాలి కదా, పెట్టుకోరు. చూడరు వెనక ఎవడొస్తుండు, ఎట్లొస్తుండు, ఏ స్పీడ్లో వస్తున్నాడు. పెళ్ళికి పోతున్నావా? పెళ్ళికా మెల్లంగా పోతున్నావు పురుషత్తుగా? ఇద్దరు ఆడికినా పెళ్ళికేనా ఇద్దరు? Makeshift panniers. Those are makeshift panniers. A tip when you are riding something powerful, something even like a Duke 390 or something, don't put your hands on the clutch all the time like this. Don't ride like this all the time. Shift and go back to this grip, because these bikes, anything more above the 390, the Duke 390 or this Interceptor or anything around 40 bhp, it will loosen your grip if you are not holding the handle properly. So if you guys follow any other motor blogs or anything, you might have known Sriman Kotaru. He is the reason I started all of this, to be honest. He stays around here, somewhere inside this area. How do I know? Because I've grown up in this parts. That is why. No, I'm not a stalker or anything. I just recognize the roads and all. Okay, I'm going to my grandmother's place because I need to take a break. This helmet is killing me. పక్కన జరిగేందుకు మధ్యలో నడుపుతాడు. There's a hope waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are. You don't have to spend the money. Cause you're beautiful. వర్షం ముందుగా మబ్బుల ఘర్షణ. I meant మధ్యలో ఉంటాను is what I meant. అమ్మో అయ్యో అయ్యో స్వామి శరణం. ఏమైంది అయిపోయిందా? యూ డోంట్ వాంట్ ఆఫ్ రోడ్? Hatha is having second thoughts. Okay. Oh, beauty. There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are. You don't have to samajavara gamana. Chicha, chicha, ja chicha. अरे budget combo. I am a there was a tire spin at the back. At the back there was a tire spin. So there it is, the Interceptor. What is wrong with you? Why do you wanna bite my hand? Go. Okay, that is the Interceptor 650. As you can see, it has this beautiful spoked black and chrome. The spokes are chrome and the rim is black. This is the loveliest pot. Shut up. The tires, I love these tires. I think this is the tire. This is same. You wanna vlog? You wanna talk? Will you let me talk? I think these are the same tires you get on the. Oh, it does have Pirellis. Yeah. So that is why the beautiful grip and the confidence while you're riding it. Problem is the mileage and the weight. That is all. It is for 3 lakhs. This is the best you can get. So that is it, and I will see you all in the next vlog, whenever that is, whenever I get a nice bike to review and ride. And yep, see you all soon, and hope you guys like the video. Please like, share and subscribe. You wanna say something? Okay, cool, bye.